That is a Honda Ruckus. But we're not talking about any normal Honda Ruckus, because this one is fitted with a 171cc GY6.
This GY6 Honda Ruckus I picked up not running. It hadn't started in over 6 years. I've rewired it, I've replaced all the broken parts, but today, we're gonna finish it. It's time to give it a full custom paint job and make it stand out from the crowd. Picking a colour for your bike should be simple, but no. It's basically emotional damage in paint form. 1 minute, I'm convinced I'm going full stealth black. Next minute, I'm looking at fluorescent colours. I change my mind so many times because you never really know what it will look like. Will it work or will it suck? Metallic, candy, pearl, matte, and finally, I've picked the colour. Today, you're going to see what madness I ended up with. Let's reveal it.
Alright boys and girls, in the last couple of clips you guys have seen me strip this Ruckus down to what it is here in front of me. Every single piece that needed to be painted has been stripped and removed off this bike. Now it's been a week since we've done that, and right now is the moment. It's time for the colour reveal. Check it out. So the only thing left to do now is put this bad boy together. Let's get into it.
Alright Scooterbomb team, brace yourself. The 171cc GY6 Ruckus has been painted in Porsche Ruby Star. It's not pink and it's not purple. This thing looks like it was dipped in radioactive berry juice and dared to exist. This gives the Ruckus that custom look. It's loud and it's slightly inappropriate, and now it's a standout. Perfect for Scooterbomb. The most disrespectful colour I could have chosen. Leave a comment. Do you love it or do you hate it?
Alright team, in almost every single build that I do, there is almost always an element of doubt regarding colour. Did I make the right choice? How is it going to look on the bike? Alright legends, for the last 4 videos I've been running a Scooterbomb Team Yamaha T-shirt giveaway. The official unofficial uniform of poor financial decisions and two-stroke happiness. I just wanted to say thank you all for all the support, those that comment, those that are subscribed, and those that take the time to like each video. It really helps the videos grow, and this is my way of giving back to you, the Scooterbomb community. So, who is the winner? Alright, no judging. I got a real technical way of finding a winner. It's basically a glass randomizer with all your names in it. So, who is it going to be? I'm going to take one from the middle, and it is in my hand. There it is. George Bass plus 3Q. You are the winner. So for you, mates, get in touch with me. You can find me on Instagram, link down below. Send me a message, and t-shirt coming your way no matter where you are in the world. Congratulations, George Bass T3Q. So for those of you that didn't win the t-shirt, never mind, you're still in with a chance. We've done the Team Yamaha t-shirt. We've got a Team Honda t-shirt coming as well. So here they are here, Scooterbomb Team Honda on the front, and on the back, that's it, Honda, the power of dreams. Now, of course, these ones I'm going to do in black or white. Thank you all to those that have subscribed. We're almost at 2,000 subs, but let's get on with today's build. Let's finish this Honda Ruckus. Alright team, we have the Honda Ruckus back together. It is working and it is painted and everybody looks at it. This bike looks $1 million now. If you take a look at those photos when I first bought this thing, what a bucket. Now it's a showstopper. This color is awesome. I really like it. I guess it's not for everybody. It is a little bit polarizing, but I think a bike like this really needed a color that was going to show it off. But how's it go? You know what? When you consider I got this bike as a basket case, it hadn't run for so long, the wiring was all hacked up, it was a true bucket of shit, and now it's as good as Ruckuses get. Needs a bit of a tune, a bit poppy there.
So how's a 4-stroke Honda Ruckus compared to one of my 2-stroke scooters? The 2-strokes are definitely a bit more manic, but that's okay. On the Ruckus, sit back, enjoy life, and life watches you ride by. That's it for the Ruckus. It's officially for sale. You want it? Reach out. You want a bike that stands out? This is the bike for you. Until then, I will see you on the next Scooterbomb installment. Cheers.